Ngwatanio ya amwe ayumbe ma Ukamba na anyanya kuma kauntini ya Meru yioneka yiendeeye kukwata mwaki na vala Ndongoi nene ikwoneka sineenea ngwatanio ni Ndongoi ya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka easya ni ngwatanio nzeo muno aiweta Ameru aingi mambiie kulika Wiper vala nake mwandiki munene wa chama cha UDA Cleophas malala ukuweta ni kenge ya kumukwatia Kalonzo alike UDA mwandiki kuitwa mauvoku mailovi Benjamin mwaka ni watu dhiani wa kwa withianu livotine ya Ikumbi ya siasa.
Nenanya wa ngwatanio ya Ameru na Akamba la yuelekele miele kuma wavithwa ivindane ambe muthiano wa mwaka mvetu withwa wina kadi vevithanitwe ikina ambe ya ayumbe ma Ameru kumantha ngwatanio na alama Ukamba ya ambiie itino maseneta kuma Mount Kenya ya katikulia kutwika kwa umwe musukuma kumvetanga kuma kivelani gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Mwandu Kawira Mwangaza kwa zavali ya keli mwaka mvetu musukumola watwikitwe ni ayumbe on the county isu ya Meru.
Harambe!
Kikalo cha ayumbe ma Meru na Ukamba kwenana na muyumba wa matungulu Stephen Mutindo wa mule chaina kililo cha kuona nyawendo na ngwatanio ya kimaendeo na maunduni motiti oyu na mbe wa kikungu chotutu wa sumbe ukite ilembete Ukamba na isio siya Meru embu hondu mwana tarakanithi si lembetani limwe unguo tongo imovitu wa ivalo yani Eastern Region.
Chambe ni wendo kilawa ilo soma atumia su tuyanete imwe maumete region nini tuela tueta larger Eastern Region na twaisi otunywe chai na tuitembe imwe na tuima na undu mathina alame kwa itu undu tu matatu aba mbungeni na no nasio kilangu tiacho ni ndeto ya Kisongo. We'll walk together. Watch this space.
Lichumani vala mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka wikithie kana mumbano isi thitwe yiendeea na kwenana no mathi wake nikanevinde kilile kuyania no kana kuthocha ayumbe a chamani cha Wiper aiweta vena itumi bingi sia kuonania mena mwikio na utetu wake hondu mwana chama cha Wiper.
You know, to go to Mwingi town from Sekuru, right, is farther than Sekuru Meru town. What does that tell you? And I went to school in Meru. My father's second home is in Meru. I speak broken Kimeru. Sometimes it can be perfected. What does that tell you? So these are my neighbors. These are my brothers and sisters. So if we can get together, no wonder there's a big movement of leaders from Meru actually joining this party.
Usuni woni wa Kalonzo hati woni wa chama cha UDA ni kana uoni muteko wa kutata kumuthengesya Kalonzo thumbani ya UDA na ngwatanio ya Kenya kwanza bewa kula nene siukite mwandi munene wa chama cha UDA Cleophas malala nuwetie ta chama ni matumite ayumbe ma Meru nena nyani
wale wabunge ambao wamekuwa kikutana na wale wabunge wa Wiper, sisi tuna encourage wabunge wetu waweze ongea na wabunge wa vyama vingine na ni sisi tumewatuma kule Wiper waende watuletea watu wa Wiper. So very soon you'll see Kalonzo Musyoka joining the UDA party.
Ona hatitima UDA Ukamba methitumi mukulia Kalonzo ombe ute wendu wa kukutia kivila cho sumbe kulani nene siukite na aikwata kwoko President William Ruto kulani isu.
Tuweza overlook Mheshimiwa Kalonzo because he has been there for quite some time. Lakini kila nisi na nyene 100% sure nikana in as much as nukwasi akaungama keka tumezoea keka ninye Kalonzo yuni ya line na serikali because we know 100% Raila ndamutia kibela chu Raila ndesa kutia Kalonzo wa Musyoka kibela chuchu.
Mudavadi measured himself. Wetangula measured himself. Kalonzo was there measuring himself. Gideon Moi was there measuring themselves. And they knew they can't match William Ruto and Raila Odinga. So what they do, they decided to form coalitions. Luckily for Mudavadi and Wetangula formed a coalition with the winning team. They are today in government. That's what we are asking Kalonzo, our brother, our father. Just weigh yourself, measure yourself. You can't compete Raila, you can't compete Ruto. You have to join one of the teams.
Na kwa kusianisya uteti uwonde no ulawe ukunena uwo woni wa Kalonzo ni kana 11 kulani isu na unavaka thiata ndesa ivetanga thino wa ngwatanio ya Azimio wikithio hula President William Ruto wetete we mwene kana ni wisenesa musindano wake kulani isu hakethiwa Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Si mimi nitashindana na Kalonzo? Huyu Kalonzo kweli mkiona na
Of course, National Executive Council do not have the mandate to endorse a presidential candidate at this stage. But nothing prevents that presidential candidate from covering the length and the breadth of this country, introducing himself, consulting. Those are the words. We are in constant consultation. You heard me tell you I'm talking to Raila. We are talking this morning, we had a meeting with Senator Gideon Moi. I think the other day I met Eugene, yeah? And we've been talking to each other. We were with Mother Karua at the award of the Jurist of the Year award at the French Embassy. We talk. Like now we are in Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition. I believe in it. If people run away from it, it is not Kalonzo Musyoka is changing, but them. Let us now go to the negotiating table and agree between ourselves. At least we have a coalition, and I believe in that coalition. And I'll do everything I can to sustain the unity of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya.
In the year 2013, he shelved his presidential ambitions and stood firmly behind Raila Amolo Odinga. In 2017, he shelved his ambition and stood firmly behind Raila Amolo Odinga. In 2022, he shelved his ambitions and stood firmly behind Raila Amolo Odinga. And I want to say today, without fear of contradiction, that the salvation of this country in terms of political leadership lies in the hands of Raila Amolo Odinga and Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Livoti ya Ikumbi Siasa dilivoti ya vilingwa mauvo kumawamusini wa Ilovi Nita Benjamin na Mwakam.